Hello and welcome to Business Lunch. I'm Nisha Podar, and a quick look at the market at this point. And yes, started almost flattish, but has seen enough momentum in the early part of the trading session, and that is being also maintained by Nifty 50. So at the moment, more than a quarter percentage point up on Nifty 50, 18,208 levels is what we are seeing, with 50 points gain. When we talk about Sensex, 176 points gain on that particular index. But Bank Nifty, which was seen to be the outperformer, is now underperforming the key indices, almost flattish to in the green in the trading session. Mid-cap universe in line with the key indices. So that pocket is participating in the market play, and because of mid-cap participation, the advanced decline ratio, the market breadth is not as weak, though still slightly on a higher side when it comes to the declining stocks. And Sonia is joining me on Business Lunch. So Sonia, market showing a good amount of green today on the screen.
Well, a good amount of green, but you'd have to say that this is a market that has a lot of headwinds, right? I mean, the global cues are a bit on the weaker side. You have the China COVID issues, which are sort of putting a lid on crude as well. There are some demand concerns. And apart from that, FIs have been selling in India for 2 days now. So let's see. The all-time highs that were just about coming are now looking a little more elusive. But for now, I mean, the Nifty is holding on to that 18,200 mark. But let's get straight to a CNBC-TV18 exclusive. European MNC is eyeing a major stake in Unichem Labs. So that's the latest that we're picking up at the moment. Vivek is joining in to give us more on what he's picking up from sources. Vivek, which is this MNC and what is the kind of stake that they're looking at in Unichem?
Well, Unichem Labs is the stock in focus, is the company in focus. What we are understanding from our sources is that a major European MNC Pharma company is eyeing, quite a significant chunk as far as, the entire promoter shareholding is concerned. What we are understanding is that the talks between this particular pharma major and the promoters right now is at a significantly advanced stage. And we understand that, this particular block, remember when you're talking about Unichem Labs, the promoter owns almost 50.93% stake in the company. And Unichem Labs, even in the past has divested certain parts of its business. If you recall, in 2017, the company had divested the domestic formulation business to Torrent Pharma. And also, when you're talking about Unichem Labs, we had reached out to the management. The management has told us that, at this point of time, these are market speculations, and we don't want to comment on market speculations at this point of time. Unichem, remember, FY22 revenues, just looking at the financials, close to 1,270 crores of revenue, profitability at around 33 crore. And the USA market is a significant market for them. Almost 55% of the revenues comes in from the US market.
That's right, Vivek. Thanks for getting us this exclusive. But for Unichem, succession issue, and therefore the deals every now and then, deal talks, have been actually one of the news flows that we have been really taking a note of.